Hey there! Today we are going to make an eye mask that will reduce dark circles and puffiness, so stay tuned. To make this eye mask, you will need some instant coffee, some honey, and some fresh cream. Now we'll take equal amounts of fresh cream and a honey in one bowl. So I'm taking 1 spoon of honey here. I will say this is a teaspoon. Now you don't have to be exact with your measurements. This is not baking. Now I'm going to add some cream. Same amount, same spoon. At the end we are going to add instant coffee until we're going to get the eye cream kind of consistency. Now I will suggest you to use only instant coffee because it dissolves with the liquid. So it's gentle for your under eye. Whereas if you use ground coffee, the granules are big and it doesn't dissolve. So when you're trying to take off your mask, it can be really harsh for your under eye. So now we are going to add coffee until we get cream kind of consistency. Refrigerate this mask and use it cold under your eyes every day. You can store it for a week. The coffee in this eye mask has ability to remove excess water to reduce puffiness. The caffeine in the coffee and the honey act as an anti-inflammatory to reduce the appearance of dark circle and under eye bags. They also make your skin brighter and firmer. And cream helps to moisturize your skin. Thank you for watching and see you next time.